guys, on today's video I'm going to be unboxing this iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. Alright, so we're going to unbox them all right now. This is the iPhone 11, so we're just going to unbox it right now. Just take this plastic away, open this up, and here we go. So whatever storage or whatever color you guys get, it's all the same actually. You will get all the same accessories inside the box. Now this is the special edition. That's just because the color, that's all. There's nothing really special about it besides the color itself. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so let's just take a look what's inside the box. And like I said, whatever storage you guys get or whatever color, it's all going to be the same thing. So you will get these guys. The only thing that you guys should be looking for inside of here, let me just show you, is this guy right here. This is to take out and put in a SIM card inside your phone. Alright, so it's the same thing whatever phone you guys get, iPhone, they always come with this. So let me just set that on the side. And we got our headset right here. Okay, so that's the connection that you guys get. As you guys know, iPhones right now, they don't have the regular 3.5 for audio. You guys have to plug it in this way. Alright. And then we got our cable, USB cable, wall charger. It's all normal. This exact same thing that you guys would get with any other phone really. So let's move on to the phone itself. So this is everything that you would get in with your iPhone right now if you guys just buy an iPhone 11 right now, okay? So let's take a look at the iPhone itself. We're gonna see right here, this buttons right here. It's just like any other phone. It's just to put up your volume, put it down. This right here is just to mute it. Alright, so it's gonna vibrate if you guys turn it like that. On the other side, we will see the power button. Power button used to be with older phones on the top, but now Apple put it on the side. If you take a look down here, that's where your SIM card is gonna be. There is no SD card input for any phone out there. So any iPhone out there, no SD cards, okay? This is just to hook up your phone, all right, and charge it up. The back, you'll notice there's really nothing on the back. There we have our cameras. And yes, they are significantly bigger than before. So they do look a lot bigger, all right? So we see our microphone right there, flash. Flash looks way bigger too. That's pretty neat. And our two cameras right there. So they look pretty okay. There's not much to the iPhone. iPhones are pretty simple. The design's really simple. I will be doing a review later on iPhone 11. This is just an unboxing for you guys to see it. I'm also going to be doing a setup tutorial for you guys and also a manual so you guys can have a quick look into how to handle your new iPhone 11. Right now, this is pretty much it for the unboxing. There's not much more that I can show you guys. Like I mentioned, it's just an unboxing. Once we come down to the manual and setup video, it's going to be different. That's when you guys see this in action and we can test out everything. You guys can see all the features that this has. Now we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, so let's just take this out. Beside me, I left the iPhone 11 so you guys can see the differences just in this unboxing. So let's take it out of the box. We should get exactly all the same stuff that we get in an iPhone 11 or any other iPhone for that matter. So I'm going to set the iPhone on the side for now. We're going to take a look at what's inside the box. Like I mentioned before, the setup video plus the manual plus the review will show you exactly how a phone works and everything inside of it. Right now we're just doing an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what comes in here. And like I always say, you guys should be looking for this inside here. That's to take out the SIM card and putting a SIM card into your phone. So that's pretty important. Headphones, pretty standard. There you go, that's the connection. Some iPhones, yeah, they don't have the regular audio input. Now the charger for this guy looks different, that's for sure. The 11 Pro feels heavier too. It's kind of weird, huh? and it is a different shape. If you can see from the iPhone 11, let me just show you right here, the charger was the normal one. So it's the regular charger for an iPhone 11. Now 11 Pro, significantly bigger, and the weight, it's like 3 times the weight of the iPhone 11 charger, which is interesting. So let's take a look at this. The connection, I can see that's different too. So right here we can see this USB-C, which is way different. Maybe that's why the charger is different as well. USB-C is good, but again, they only made that for this, and this part would go plugged into your phone. So that's what you get with an iPhone 11 Pro, which is different. It's definitely different because with an iPhone 11, let me just open this up again, versus a Pro, the connections are regular USB. See this right here? This is regular USB. We've had this with iPhones forever. Regular USB. USB-C, on the other hand, I can see why they're moving to USB-C because all MacBooks are moving to USB-C. But for those of you who don't have a USB-C port on your computer, you will not be able to just plug it in. You're gonna need an adapter for that. So that's what kind of sucks about USB-C. But just looking at USB-C, it is the future. It's the best thing ever, actually, USB-C. But not everybody's up to date right now. Not all Macs, not all computers are up to date with USB-C. So right now, let me just close this up, put it on the side. If we take a look at this dude, that's all you guys get in the box with your iPhone 11 Pro versus an iPhone 11, which is very similar. We just noticed the differences right now. Anyways, if we take a look at the phone itself, you will notice 3. That's right. You have 3 lenses right now versus 2 on the iPhone 11. So those are differences that you're going to see right away. Now, if we look at the side, same thing. We have our SIM card tray right here. Not SD. None of the iPhones have SD. Remember that. Here's our power button. On the top, there's nothing. Power buttons used to be on the top. Right now here, this is just to mute right there. So it's gonna vibrate instead of sounding. So you guys can always turn that on and off. And then we just have for volume. So those are the buttons. I do appreciate that there's less buttons. I actually don't like buttons. That's usually the first thing I used to break with iPhones. But now, since we're getting less and less buttons, there's less things that break with an iPhone. So I like that. So I like less moving parts into an iPhone. So right down here, that's where you guys would charge it. Speakers, yeah. There's not much to it. They're pretty basic design. Looks pretty sleek. I do like this color. It's not I guess this would be the closest to a black that you would get on a phone like this. But anyways, it's a pretty nice design. A lot of people don't like the back cameras. I think they're fine. I like this. It feels pretty heavy actually, which is a good thing because that means the battery is better. Batteries that are heavy, they charge better. They actually last longer. They're just overall better at the moment. Okay, with the technology that we have right now, batteries that weight more, it's a good thing, okay? You don't want something too light because they just don't last that long. So that's an iPhone 11 Pro right now. And here we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's just take it out. So like I mentioned before, no matter what color or storage size you guys pick, it's actually the same thing. You guys are going to get the exact same things inside the box. So it doesn't matter if I show you a 64 gig or anything bigger than that, it's the same thing inside the box. So let's just take that out of the box, and here we go. So I'm going to move these phones off to the side. Here we have an iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. This is the Max that we're doing right now. So I'm just going to move these guys to the side just so you guys can focus in on this phone right here. So inside the box, what we should get is the exact same stuff from an 11 Pro, although this is the Max. So let's take a look at it. So like I always mention, inside of here, you guys should always look for this, because that's for your SIM card, and that's the main thing. The manuals and all that, that's okay-ish. You guys can just watch the video right here where I'm gonna do the manual, the setup video, plus a review later on. That's where you guys see this in action. Other than that, this is just an unboxing, so we're just gonna see exactly what's in the box. So right here we got our charger, USB-C, by the way. There we go. Same thing as an iPhone 11 Pro. The Max is the same thing. Same deal with the headphones. That's the type of connection. Since again, none of these phones will have the regular audio input as other phones. And this cable that you guys get is the USB-C. So like I mentioned before, if you guys have a regular MacBook, older MacBook I should say, or any computer that doesn't have USB-C, this will get into troubles because you won't be able to plug this into your computer right away. You will need one of those adapters. Now with an iPhone 11 Pro, we had the same situation. So 11 Pro had the same things right here. Okay, and only the iPhone 11, that guy had the regular USB, which is right here. That's the regular USB that most of you have. The USB-C is different. A lot of new computers are coming up with it, but not all. Not everybody's catching up to that. So that can be a buggy thing, but just get an adapter. You guys should be fine. You won't need an adapter obviously for this because this is meant for USB-C. And this is quite heavier than your regular wall chargers from back in the day. Even with the iPhone 11, it's a different charger than an iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max in this case. So right now you guys can see exactly what you guys get in the box with an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So at this point I'm just going to focus in on the iPhone itself. Let's take a look. Cameras, pretty much the same thing as the iPhone 11, the 11 Max right now. We see this, yeah, same things. It's bigger. Right now on the sides, we're going to notice, same deal. We see our SIM card tray. There's no SD card for iPhones, by the way, again. And here is our power button. Power button used to be on the top with older phones. On the other side, we're gonna see our volume. Right here we got this in order to mute, unmute. There we go. So you guys want your phone to vibrate. There we go. Turn that off. And here below, we're gonna see this right here, which is to charge your phone. That's pretty much it. Oh, also you will plug in your headset right there. Okay, if you guys want to listen to music or talk or anything, that is a headset. And that it's pretty simple, sleek design. I'm digging the color itself. I do like it. Looks pretty nice, pretty sleek. A lot of people ask me about the gold. Since iPhones used to come in rose gold and gold, this is gold. This, to me, even in the camera, sometimes the color changes and does shift, but this, I can tell you it's gold. Unlike iPads, where if you guys buy gold, the iPad is more of that rose gold, a deep rose actually. In iPhones, it's different. It's just this. What you guys see in the camera is actually the true color. So that's a good thing. So I'm not a fan of this finish just because it looks like it's gonna get scratched right away. But hey, we all put cases, so it won't, right? The back looks pretty good. It doesn't feel right away that much heavier than the other phones. Design-wise, Apple always does really simple, sleek designs. So there's not much to show in an unboxing video. However, in the setup plus review and the manual I'm gonna do, you guys will see this guy in action in everything that he can do. So once again, this is the 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. You guys can see them side by side. Now I'm gonna put them side by side, but not on top of the boxes, so you guys can see the size difference between them. So if you look at the size, this one's the 11 Pro, 11, and then 11 Pro Max. The 11 is right in between the two. That's interesting. So it's actually bigger than 11 Pro, but slightly smaller than 11 Pro Max. Now if you put them one beside the other, notice the cameras, same, different, okay? iPhone 11 only has 2 versus these guys that have 3. And again, just showing you how they look like and the color. That's what matters really, and why most people look at unboxings besides looking exactly what you're gonna get in the box. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.